Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is creating a lot of talk among drone fans and is expected to be one of the year's most anticipated drone releases. The enthusiasm for the Mini series is still high, even after DJI recently released the palm-sized Neo, a little vlogging drone made to record ordinary situations. The Mini series is still the preferred option for those looking for real aerial photography capabilities. We'll examine the DJI Mini 5 Pro's anticipated features, possible release dates, and any potential advancements in this upcoming generation in today's video. DJI Mini 5 Pro, a balancing act. While fans of DJI are excitedly awaiting the Mini 5 Pro's revolutionary improvements, the truth is that major improvements might be difficult to deliver without some compromises. For example, enhancements like a larger sensor or a larger battery would enable the Mini 5 Pro to surpass the critical weight constraint of 250 g. This weight class is very popular since it makes mini drones more accessible and user-friendly by enabling users in many areas to fly without a particular license. However, because it restricts the range of possible modifications, this weight restriction poses a special difficulty for DJI. Nevertheless, DJI may still improve the Mini 5's functionality without going over this crucial weight limit. Camera upgrades, a focal point. The camera is at the heart of one of the most eagerly awaited upgrades. Many drone fans believe that the Mini 5 Pro may have a 1-inch sensor, which would be a major improvement over the Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.3-inch sensor, based on conversations in well-known drone forums. Unquestionably, a larger sensor would result in higher quality images with crisper details and greater low-light performance, making it perfect for photographing landscapes even in difficult lighting situations. More light can be collected thanks to the larger sensor, which improves the overall quality of the video and adds richer detail. Although some might anticipate a resolution increase in the next model, this is unlikely. DJI appears to be more concerned with enhancing clarity and dynamic range than with raw pixel count. Release date and beyond. In terms of the release date, DJI typically releases the Mini series in an annual cycle, with each model coming out about a year after the one before it. For example, the Mini 4 Pro came out a year after the Mini 3 Pro. This trend indicates that the Mini may 5th be released as early as November, which would allow DJI enough time to build and test the device while keeping enthusiasts excited for the next version. DJI fans have a number of other hopes for the Mini 5 Pro in addition to the camera. The Mini series AI tracking skills are one area that might see a major improvement. With better tracking, the Mini 5 Pro might be able to track swift objects, like cars, more precisely and sustain focus for extended periods of time. The Mini 5 would be an even more alluring choice for action-focused filmmaking with improved tracking. The addition of 5G connectivity is another anticipated improvement. The Mini 5 Pro might provide smoother real-time communications, improved control, and higher resolution live feeds with 5G. For professional users or anyone wishing to test the limits of remote piloting, this connectivity upgrade would be quite helpful. A refined experience. Notwithstanding these possible enhancements, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is probably going to provide minor improvements rather than a radical makeover. The Mini 5 is positioned to provide an enhanced user experience while maintaining the small size and sub-250G weight class that make it a popular option. It also has a larger sensor, better AI tracking, and the potential for 5G. With the Mini 4 Pro's remarkable 40-minute flight time, DJI is likely to keep or improve this battery life without sacrificing the device's lightweight design. For people who are new to drones, the DJI Mini 5 Pro can be the perfect starting point. It is expected to provide a good mix of portability, high-quality image capturing, and ease of use, making it a desirable choice for novices. The Mini may 5th not reinvent the wheel, but it could refine it, bringing meaningful improvements that enhance the overall experience. So, what do you expect from the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Share your thoughts in the comments, and tell us which features you're most excited about.